Let's go.
Were you taking my video?
Yeah.
Oh. And we got some basic balls. How can you leave that in the shop?
Very welcome to this new video of Off to 7,000 Islands, and today we have for you a little haul video, our Christmas haul. We went to Ikea and we bought some stuff for Christmas, like you see in the background, and then we forgot to film the intro, so I'm just having a small intro right now, and then you can see the video what we bought, we show you, and we also went to the SM, one of the SM malls, bought some more Filipino stuff, which is in the end, and next week then we also show you how it will all look like, our tree there and everything we bought and then made here into our decoration. Having that said, my name is Eric and my wife Alyssa. We are living here in the Philippines and we're not living that long here, actually 1 year. So we needed to buy all our Christmas decoration new as we moved from Germany to the Philippines. And here it is, the video. Let's get into it. For Christmas tree.
Oh yeah. First one's this Christmas tree. We looked for a Christmas tree that looks like a Christmas tree, not looks like so fake, like what you can get. So we got this one. This is 6 feet or 2 meters.
No, this is 8 feet.
8 feet.
8 feet.
No, it's
2 meters and 10.
Oh,
That's taller than me.
8 feet.
I'm 6'3", and that's taller than me.
Oh, that's gonna be so tall.
Yes.
I didn't know. I didn't like 2 meters. No, you're 2 meters.
No,
You're 180.
no,
190.
195. So that's 15 centimeters taller.
Oh, then that's not 8 feet.
Yeah, 7 point something.
6 point something.
Yeah, it's over 2 meters. So in the real measurement, that's over 2 meters.
Yeah, I'm gonna be really excited putting the star above it. So.
Yeah, so we got that. Of course, it's a artificial tree
Yeah.
because there's no pine trees in the lower regions of the Philippines.
Yes.
But you actually have seen pine trees in our videos before when we've been in Sagada.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we do have pine trees in here in South, but they're not the ones that you would see, for example, in Europe.
Yeah, I put a picture here on the
Yeah,
screen.
they will be like super scars.
Yeah, they look a bit naked.
Yes.
We have them sometimes. In Germany, they stand around sometimes when you want something really exotic.
So we got this one.
Yeah. That was expensive though.
But we only will buy this once. We're not gonna buy again next year. So, and we really wanted to have like a real looking Christmas tree. So we feel a bit like home in Europe. So we want to. And yeah, so you can buy stuff like in SM, and we went for this one because you really see the needles. The ones from SM and other malls, they're just like, I don't know.
It looks very flimsy, plasticky.
Yes, and it doesn't look like real at all. So you will see when we build this, then you will see.
Yeah, we make a video about that
Yes.
when we're back home, because we're still in Manila.
Yeah.
So you might see the background and you
It's
never have
different.
seen that before. That's in our
Yeah.
house in Manila.
So we got 2 bags.
Very important.
Yeah.
Biscuits. Nice bulbs.
Nice bulbs, yeah.
Yeah, big bulbs, they finally have them. That's something
Decorative.
rare in the Philippines.
Yeah, we don't really.
Yeah.
And they didn't used to have that like last year. They didn't have that in Ikea here in the Philippines. So good to have that now.
Yeah.
More bickies. We really like eating biscuits. And yeah, we also plan to make some homemade for Christmas.
Spekulatius.
Some nice Breizelberg.
Lingoberry, yes.
Lingoberry.
But like lots of food.
Yeah. I'm going through the food first. So some blueberry jam. We really like jam.
If you're Swedish, can you tell us how you would say that? I would say that's something like blah bear.
Leave the Christmas stuff out. Yeah. Eric's parents are coming this December, and they are a big coffee drinker, and ours broke, so we
We got a new one. and we put that in the room. We're gonna actually show you in one of the next videos when we make that room ready, how we set up a room when someone stays for a long time.
Yes, exactly.
Like a month, 2 months, 3 months in our hotel.
Yeah.
We're gonna show that because that's what we're gonna do for our parents.
We were missing some end bits for our curtain rail, so we got one. Oh, very important. Our seats.
Dime.
Yeah, so we don't get this here in the Philippines. Or have you seen this here?
No.
No, not really. So yeah.
Scandinavian.
So we also got some like lamp. Goes with the bulb earlier.
Yeah. So that's just the mount for the lamp, because often it's just the bulb.
Yes, so we want to hang the bulb, and that's why we got that big
In
one.
our staircase. A shoe rack.
Yeah, we bought another one. We had already two.
They're stackable.
Yeah, stackable, so apparently we have more shoes.
We
Both. So another fitted sheets.
always good.
And so we just get some extras.
Ooh, Christmas stuff.
Is it?
Kind of.
Oh yeah. Rustic
Tea
one.
light.
Yeah, tea light inside. I like the other one, but he liked this one, so compromise.
Yeah, I didn't like the black.
I like
think
the black.
black doesn't fit Christmas, so this one is
Yeah,
metal.
but it fits everywhere else. You can just.
Silver too.
Okay, so now we're gonna go through the Christmas stuff. So, and we got some basic balls just for the Christmas tree.
Yeah.
And so we chose these colors. We were choosing between the red ones or just gold ones, but in the end we got two colors instead. So you get more, and I like that some have different textures as well. So some are matte, some are shiny. So we also decided that we'll buy one basic thing like this one, just to fill the whole thing, and then we both each will choose something nice or something special to put in our tree, and we want to do that every year until our tree becomes full. So this is our choices. Eric chose these birds. Yeah, so he chose these birds. Look at them.
Yeah. Little birds.
Little birds.
Rotkehlchen.
Yeah. What's a kirschen?
That's what it's called.
So this
I don't know the English name.
Is it not a robin?
A robin?
No.
Could be. Robin. Robin and Batman. Dead joke.
So, and this is my choice. Those little socks. And so that one was like kind of a stuffed thing.
Yeah, that's felt.
Yeah, felt and stuffed inside. So, ta-da! Oh, sorry. Ta-da! So it's glass. I think it's so cool, but we really have to be careful with it.
Yeah, not in the bottom of the tree because there's a dog.
Yes, we have a dog. And hopefully our dog, I don't know, we don't know yet how he's gonna react.
To the tree?
Yeah. Maybe if there's too much, then something hanging.
Balls.
Yeah, balls. He likes balls. Gosh, it's gonna be terrible. Anyway, we'll see how it's gonna be.
Maybe we need to suspend it from the ceiling.
So I'm not putting this
Low.
or I'm just gonna put this when there's people around.
Yeah. There we go.
So those are mine.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, and they're quite nice, and no, it's not very common, I think, and also the birds. So we wanted to have that something quirky in our tree. So that's the one. So next we have the star.
Oh.
So this is the star for the top of our tree. Ta-da! It has a light already.
Says a light, and this is cardboard.
Oh, this is cardboard, yeah.
Yeah, so you just fold it and then you mount it on the thing.
It doesn't have a battery, so we don't know how it's gonna light up, but
No, we saw it in the shop.
yeah, we saw it in the shop. It's star, basically. So something like that.
There we go. Yeah.
Candles.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so we're big on candles. So we like lighting up candles, and especially smelly ones.
There we go.
So we chose like the green ones for our what do you call that? Wreath.
Wreath the 4 candles, and then you light each Advent Sunday one.
So you will see how
Yeah.
it is, and then we got the red ones for our So and then we got the red ones. Smells like
Winter.
yeah.
Gingerbread.
And then some decos, other decos.
Yeah. So this is the base for our Christmas wreath. So the 4 candles, they come like here
Yeah.
with this one.
So we want to make 2 others aside from the tree, like the thing here, and then some what we can put on the door.
Yes.
So we want to put this on the door. And we got some poinsettia. Yeah, so this is the clip.
To clip.
Stuff
Just
So
yeah, it's quite nice.
yeah, and it's very practical, you know, and I think it's gonna last a long time. So like, so you see how easy it is, no messy stuff. So that's what we want to do with that. But to hang
On
And-
the door.
yeah, on the door. And with that, we have these kind of lights.
Fairy lights.
Yeah, fairy lights, but they are golden leaf. So this is how it looks like. So it's also with the light.
Yeah, so it's good for the door or the table
Yeah,
because
something that you don't need to plug in. Basically.
let's zoom in here.
So
It's like golden lights.
yeah, it has lights. You can see here the battery.
Yeah.
And yeah, it
Battery
has-
is not included.
Yes, batteries are included. But we have a lot of rechargeable batteries
Yeah.
for our camera. So see, we think that that's
The
gonna-
combination. Because that alone is just very plasticky.
yeah. This is not so. This is what you would get in other malls.
Yeah, when you buy a Christmas
And
tree.
this is quite cheap, actually.
Yeah, you see the it's just
They're
like
not really needles. They don't look like
Yeah.
needles, but just some plastic
Yeah.
ribbon and stuff. So, and then yeah, so we thought it would be nice to have something, and then it has a light already. You don't need to plug it in. It's on the door. Yeah, so no trouble. And I got some of these ribbons for the gifts, maybe, and some from just tying on the green
Candles.
candle because it's too green.
yeah.
So
Too much green.
Yeah, too much green. So we're gonna put that there. We have these little pearls that we want to hang on the trees. You will see how we're gonna do it. Yeah. And then last, oh no, not last. We have these little trees.
Yeah.
And I found them really cute.
Yeah, because they're like bottle
Brushes.
but as trees. They have a real stand.
Yeah, they have a stand at the bottom. You can stand them up. So cute.
Is that the last one?
No, we have a last one.
Oh, we have the SM
Yeah,
stuff.
there's some stuff. So I got another special one. So today we went to SM and get some stuff, but I saw this and I just can't leave it there. It's so pretty. So we got one for Eric's mom.
So we got finally something also which is actually Filipino.
Yes, it's Filipino. So look at these. Can you see?
Yes.
And they're shells.
Yeah, so
They're Capiz shells, and then I think painted
so they are made out of mussel
shells.
shells. Yeah. So this material.
Yeah. So, and we got it from Cultura. That's a shop in SM, which sells local stuff. So souvenirs and some clothes, Filipino clothes, traditional ones. But yeah, today we saw this, and I just couldn't leave it there. I got two special things to put in our tree. So yeah, that's for our haul. And yeah, if you like this video and you like this stuff, please subscribe and let us know if you want to see more of this kind of videos from us. Cheers!
Bye!
Cheers!